کے باہر موجود ہوں اور آپ کو میرے عقب میں نظر آتا ہوگا کہ فری فلسطین کے حوالے سے ایک بہت بڑا پروٹیسٹ ہو رہا ہے۔ میں آپ کو بتاتا چلوں کہ یہاں ہم نے کافی پروٹیسٹ اٹینڈ کیے ہیں، لیکن یہ صبح سے یہاں برمنگھم سٹی سینٹر کی ہائی اسٹریٹ اور مختلف جو اسٹریٹس ہیں ان میں نوجوانوں نے فری فلسطین کے حوالے سے کتبے اٹھا کر، جھنڈے اٹھا کر باقاعدہ طور پر ریلی نکالی ہے، اور اس ریلی میں یہی مطالبہ تھا کہ فلسطین کو مکمل آزادی دی جائے۔ اس وقت یہاں ٹاؤن ہال کے باہر ایک تقریب ہو رہی ہے جس میں نوجوان سارے پرجوش ہیں اور نعرے لگا رہے ہیں فری فلسطین، اور جو حماس اور اسرائیل کے درمیان معاہدہ ہوا ہے اس کو انہوں نے یہ کہا ہے کہ یہ وقتی طور پر تو جنگ بندی ہوئی ہے لیکن فلسطین کے مسئلے کا پراپر یہ حل نہیں ہے۔ ابھی ہمارے ساتھ کچھ پروٹیسٹر موجود ہیں، ہم چاہتے ہیں کہ ان سے سنا جائے کہ یہ
I'm a university student in Birmingham. I'm also someone who is fully aware of what's happening in Palestine. All the BBC, all the ITV, we know what you're doing. We won't be held under your propaganda. We see right through it. Today in Birmingham, every week we will stand in solidarity with the Palestinians. All the Palestinian Jews, all the Palestinian Christians, all the Palestinian Muslims, we are all here still standing in solidarity for you. We do not discriminate against any Palestini. And lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un for all the shuhada in Palestine. And inshallah, one day Palestine will be free.
Free Palestine will stop the occupation, stop the war, stop the terrorism on Palestinian children. Free Palestine! Free Palestine! Free Palestine!
Free Palestine. Children are bombing a lot.
Palestinian people, we are here because we are trying to back our people. Our Palestinian people are being killed innocently. Free Aqsa!
Together with Palestine, we condemn Israel and every act of terrorist they're doing. We stand against Israel, but we know our Jewish brothers and sisters are with us. Not all Jews are against Palestine, and that's the information that youngsters need to understand nowadays. ہم سب اسرائیل کے خلاف ہیں اور جو اسرائیل فلسطین کے ساتھ کر رہا ہے اس کے بھی خلاف ہیں۔ ہم سب فلسطین کے ساتھ ہیں اور انشاءاللہ ایک دن فلسطین آزاد ہوگا اور ہم سب مل کر فلسطین کو آزاد دیکھیں گے۔
We're here supporting all the guys here today. I think our youth have been absolutely fabulous today. They've been so well behaved and we'll be with them every step of the way. And the thing is, Palestine should be free.
We're here today supporting for the freedom of Palestine. What's happening is unacceptable, and we want the world to understand that we will not let it lie in without it being resolved. So again, I'm very grateful that the media, such as yourselves, will come to listen to us, and we hope that this voice can be given to the world, that we want Palestine to be free and recognized, and I'm grateful again for you to come and attend. Thank you.
My name's Bisharat Mahmood. I'm executive member of Unite the Union here in Birmingham. Now we're here today supporting our youth that are demonstrating here peacefully in support and in solidarity with the people of Palestine. We urge the British government to take the appropriate action in helping settle this undisputed, unjust war against the Palestinian people. Thank you very much.
Raise awareness about the injustice going on in Palestine that's been going on since 1948. The apartheid state has been annexing their land, taking the houses, taking their farms, burning down their olive trees that have been there, long time before 1948, older than the current generation of the grandparents in Palestine. Every single day children are losing and families are losing their homes. Past few days in Gaza they've been bombed. 90,000 families, 90,000 people have been displaced. Over 200 people have died. Many of them have been children. The one case that the whole world has seen is the one man that lost 4 of his children and his wife and was left with his 5-month-old child. This child will grow with no mum, with no siblings. This man will have to raise his own child just because of that Zionist terrorist state that wants to cause injustice in a place that is not theirs. Palestine it's a case of injustice, and the world is just watching, like other, injustices in the world, like, in Syria, for example, like, they've been massively, bombed and struck by multiple foreign powers, and no one is doing anything. So we are here to stand for the Palestinian people of all ages, men, women, children, all of them are innocent, they do not deserve this. So carry on posting, raising awareness and protesting. Do not let the media push their narrative which criminalizes Palestinians and victimizes Israel, which is a terrorist state that is causing injustice in Palestine, taking the houses and the land with no rights, especially Sheikh Jarrah by Al-Aqsa. So all I've got to say is I hope we live to see Palestine free in our lifetime. Thank you.
प्रोटेस्टर हैं उनका ये कहना है कि हम उस वक्त तक चैन से नहीं बैठेंगे, उस वक्त तक अपना एहतजाज जारी रखेंगे जब तक फ़लस्तीन को मुकम्मल आज़ादी नहीं मिलेगी।